Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a beautiful scenery on this pebble. We all have these kind of pebbles at your garden. Let's use them in the best way. Here we are going to spread all these color on the top of this pebble and make a beautiful pattern using this thick brush. Now we are going to make the sun. Here we are going to draw a dense forest and a river as well. Similar way you have to spread the color like this. Add more thick trees on the front like we're doing here, and look, your trees drawing is ready. Similar way, add more details. You can use a white paint for more detailing, and look at the beautiful scenery is ready. After this we are also going to add some more element, like you can draw a deer at the center, make more flowers around like this, and look, it's ready. After completing it, we're going to add a deer at the center, so make a deer figure like this and start coloring it like we're doing here. Take a thin brush and look at this beautiful magical drawing. How pretty this is looking. Let's color this pebble. We're going to make a beautiful scenery on it. You can collect these pebbles from your garden and make a beautiful decor piece at home. So we are going to use different color and spread it on the top of this pebble using this thick brush. After this, we are going to use this thin brush. We are going to make a night view. Let's make a moon, and look how pretty this is looking. We are going to make tree as well. Use this black paint and spread it like we're doing here, and then give it texture using this white paint as well. After finishing it, we are going to draw a beautiful girl staring at the moon like we are doing here, and draw some stars, and look at this beautiful scenery. How pretty this is looking. Let's make a beautiful scenery. Here we are going to spread these blue shades of color on the top of this pebble like we are doing here. Use a very thick brush and spread the color evenly. We are going to make a beautiful scenery here. First draw mountains, and then we are also making a moon and beautiful clouds like this. Make a tree as well to complete the painting, and look at the beautiful painting. It is looking so pretty already, and the reflection is looking so nice. After this, we're going to draw a girl staring at the falling stars, and draw some stars like this, and look, your beautiful painting is ready. You can use it at your home for home decor. Thank you so much for watching this video.